Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and this is I went to the store for one thing and came back with a bunch of other stuff. IKEA version. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Either way, make sure you subscribe to this here channel. Give your girl a thumbs up to let me know you like this type of content so I can keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. All right. Okay, so I went to IKEA to get bed slats. So if y'all know, these are like the wood pieces that go under your mattress, your box spring, to help level out your bed. Every now and again, you just gotta change them out because it's wood. It gets creaky after a while. So I was like, let me go to IKEA, get some new bed slats. So I did get the bed slats. At least I went and got what I went there to get, right? But this is what else I got. Okay, so while I was there, y'all know, because I didn't go straight to the bed slats. No, we still had to walk through the whole IKEA. And I didn't get a lot of stuff, so I'm proud of me. But let me just show y'all what I got. And, you know, my friend's still here visiting. Okay, so first things first, I got some water bottles. I did get two because in there I was like, I should stop getting black stuff. I should get something with color, so I got the colored one. And then I was like, wow, I'm not gonna use the same one every day, so let me get the black one too. Justified purchase, and I'm not gonna hear no mouth about it. I don't wanna hear about it. It was justified, and that's what it is. So let me open it because I do wanna see what it's hitting for. So here we go for a little unboxing too, if I can open it. Okay, finally got it open. This is what it looks like. I was trying to see if it tells me. Oh, okay, so it says 33.8 ounces. So we're getting our water in, okay? If you need, oh, it's a little, it hooks onto the top. That's even better. That's super cute. That's what it looks like on the inside. So it'll probably keep your drink cold. Okay, that's what we need. I like that this doesn't just come right off. That's super cute. Look at me. Look at us. Buying shit from IKEA we don't need, but we really need. All right, so then the mouthpiece looks like that. Oh, that's interesting. So it's one of those pull-up sprouts. Does it just come out? Well, it's not going up, so I'm assuming that it just comes out, but it has that type of spout on it. This is super cute. I'm glad I got two. Let's see what else I got. All right, so if y'all know, if y'all been here before, if y'all seen the IKEA haul, y'all know I'm an avid sandwich bag grabber because IKEA gives you the two sizes in the one box, and I thoroughly appreciate that. So you don't have to get two boxes of sandwich bags. Both of them, both sizes. Let's see if you can see it right there. Both sizes come in one box. Perfect, chef's kisses, okay? It's like a sandwich bag and then like a little smaller snack kind of a bag. Set your lunch off right, okay? And you get 30 of each kind, each size. So also thoroughly enjoy that. And lastly, because I did not OD, people, I did not OD. Y'all should be proud of me. Let me know in the comments how proud of y'all I am. Proud of me y'all is because I didn't OD. We on the last thing already. Okay, so the last thing I got is this super cute waffle print bathrobe. Isn't it so cute? Look at that. Look at that. So I got it in one extra large. Isn't it super cute? And it got pockets, y'all. It got pockets. Let me try to untie it. Because super cute. Because it looks like it's holding together by the string, which is super cute as well. Super, you know, you just find these rando cute things at IKEA. You can't pass them up, you know. It's not like it's one of those stores that it's not gonna be there the next time you go, but still, you're gonna forget. Cause how often do you go to IKEA? Oh my God, super cute. Look, y'all, it has pockets. It got pockets, okay? Super cute, right? About to be styling and profiling in the house. Now, if y'all see me in the video with this on, y'all know where it came from. IKEA. Alright? Alright. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments what y'all been getting from IKEA. Maybe I forgot something because I wasn't intentionally looking to buy any of these things. I was literally going for the bed slats and I came across these things. Either way, I'm happy I got them. Let me know what you've been buying in the comments. Also, subscribe to this here channel. Get your girl lit. We still on the road to 2K. We still got some time in June, y'all. We still have some time in June to get me lit. Road to 2K. Get me there. And my road to TikTok was to be 100, 150. What's wrong with my lash? The TikTok road was 100 to 150 by the end of June, and I really be at like 116. So get me lit, y'all. It's on and popping, you know. We here. We doing content. We a content creator now, full time. Get me lit. It's your girl Fee. It's been real. Peace.